Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we will learn how to change the battery in your Conga Eternal Max. This process is straightforward, but it requires the right tools and careful attention. Let's get started. First, you will need the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of gloves for safety. If you don't have these tools at home, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, and we can help you with the pickup and delivery at your home. Begin by ensuring your Conga is powered off and disconnected from any charging source. This step is crucial for your safety. Next, carefully turn the device upside down to access the battery compartment. You should see a series of screws holding the cover in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove these screws one by one, placing them in a safe location to avoid misplacing them. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the cover off. If it feels stuck, you can use your flathead screwdriver to pry it open carefully. Be cautious not to damage any clips or internal components during this process. With the cover removed, take a moment to clean the internal area using a soft cloth. Dust and debris can accumulate over time, so keeping this area clean is essential for optimal performance. Now, you will see the battery securely placed in its compartment. Disconnect the battery by gently pulling on the connector. If you encounter resistance, double-check that there are no additional clips holding it in place. Once the battery is disconnected, take your new battery and connect it precisely as the old one was, ensuring a snug fit. If you're unsure about the type of battery needed, feel free to reach out for a quote before repair to ensure you get the correct one. After connecting the new battery, it's time to reassemble your Conga. Place the cover back on and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Remember to tighten them, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this can strip the screws or damage the casing. Once everything is reassembled, turn your Conga back upright and power it on. If you encounter any issues during this process, or if you simply prefer not to handle it yourself, we offer services where no calls or travel are necessary. You can have the device picked up from your home, repaired, and returned without any hassle. In conclusion, changing the battery in your Conga Eternal Max can be a simple task if you follow these steps carefully. Ensure you have the right tools, take your time, and keep everything organized. If you need any assistance, remember we are here to help with professional diagnosis and repair services at your convenience. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.